I don't really know how the social media side of it blew up, to be honest. I have no idea. Hi, my name's Lauren. I'm a mum of 5 and I'm also a lover of all things interior design and interior styling. I started this, career when I built this home of mine. I think when I first started planning the build and the style of this home, I really was drawn to barn style homes with the high-pitched roofs and again that country vibe. But for me, I did really want to bring that coastal element into the home as well. So I really do feel like I stayed true to my mood of what I had planned for the home to what it is now. So when it came to finding ABI interiors, originally we were looking at doing aged brass as the finishes in our home. My husband wasn't so keen on the idea and really loved the look of the brushed brass, and I had been following ABI for a while and really loved what they produced, and so we were able to go into their showroom, and I think once I walked into their showroom and the whole feel of the space, I was already sold with what I wanted to use in our home. Using the brushed brass ABI finish with the tapware in our home, I think has brought a real luxe to the home. Like, I really love the coastal country vibe, but I did want that touch of brass throughout the home with some little styling ornaments, but also wanted it to be a statement with the tapware. And so, yeah, I think with all the white going on, it's just a really beautiful, subtle, that luxe in the home. I'm very grateful and I love that everyone loves what I've produced, I guess. I mean, I just kind of went into this documenting my journey of building our forever family home and didn't expect so much love from it, but very grateful for where it's at now.